Hi, this is Mato. In this video, I will show you some amazing chess sites that will help you to improve your chess. Are you ready? Let's start. This is a site where you can play from Tal's position against your training partner, Talminator. And this is a position from the game Tal played in 1956. Let me try to win from this Tal's position. King Tal played king to e4. This is not the move from the game. b4, we are going to create a passed pawn. And that passed pawn will drag black king away from the protection of the pawns on the king's side. I hope I will win this. Otherwise it will be very embarrassing. And let's go towards the pawn. Oh, and go to shield. Go to shield my pawn and push. And black gave up the fight. And white is winning. After you finish this exercise, you move to this position. Tal against Jurashevich, 1958, and then again Tal against Paradnikis, Tal against Milika, Tal against Rosenberg, and so on. And let's go to the next page. On this page, which is called the free resources, you can scroll down and click on Mikhail Tal, and on this page you can see more than 400 games of Mikhail Tal. You can also increase the size of the board. Like I said, on this page you can view more than 400 games of Tal for free. If you like a particular game, let me know and I will make a video of it. And let's move to the next page. The last but not the least, and on this page you can download a course called Mikhail Tal's Magic Revealed, in which of course the magic of Tal will be revealed. The price is $79, but it is on special for a short time only. The links to all these wonderful sites are provided in the description below the video. I hope that you will be inspired and that you will improve and enjoy your chess even more than ever before. So, I wish you good luck with your chess and bye for now.